Python decorator for class methods. I have a decorator to register some class methods. How can I get both self and run parameters correctly? Traceback, most recent call last.
Your problem has nothing to do with the decorator. In a simpler form, what you are doing is this. From your function signature, Python will try to set run equals 1, args equals 2, and then run into the type error. A fix, though not a very nice one, could be
The run parameter is from the fun, so try to get it from function's parameter.
Python 3 seems as better handler for the parameters, but don't know how to do this in Python 2.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.